Binance introduced the Pendle on Binance Launchpool. Find Pendle by staking BNB and TUSD. Binance is excited to announce the 35th project on Binance Launchpool, a yield trading protocol. Users will be able to stake their BNB and TUSD into separate pool to farm Pendle token over 25 days, with farming starting from 2023-07-04-00 UTC time. Pendle Launchpool details. Token name Pendle. Total token supply 251 million of Pendle token. Launchpool token reward 5 million of Pendle token. That's 2% of total token supply. Calculating supply 140 million plus Pendle token and 56% of token supply. Smart contract address Ethereum and Arbitrum. Staking times no upper limit. KYC required. Supported pool. Stake BNB, stake TUSD, and 4 million plus of Pendle token in reward for people who stake BNB. That is going to be 80% of total reward allocated in this launch pool on Binance, and 20% reward for people who is going to stake in this TUSD. That is going to be 1 million bundle token in reward, and the farm is going to start from 4 of this month to 28th of this month, and total daily reward is going to be 200,000 plus. Pendle token BNB pool daily reward is going to be 160,000 plus token, and TUSD pool daily reward is going to be 40,000 plus token. Please note, snapshots of user balance and total pool balance will be taken multiple times at any point of time each hour to get users hourly average balance and calculate user rewards. User reward will be updated each hour. User will be able to accumulate their rewards calculated each hour and claim those rewards directly to their sports account at any time. Each pool annual percentage yield APY and total pool balance will be updated in real time. Token can be staked in one pool at a time. For example, user A cannot stake the same BNB in 2 different pools at the same time, but can allocate 50% of their BNB into pool A and 50% into pool B. User will be able to unstake their funds at any time with no delay and participate in any other available pool immediately. Token stake in each pool and any unclaimed reward will be automatic transfer to each user spot wallet at the end of the farming period. If you are staking on Binance on this product, Binance will support this Pendle Launchpool. Users who have already staked their token will be automatic participating in this Pendle Launchpool and receive Pendle reward daily in their spot wallet. BNB stake into Launchpool will still provide user with the standard benefit for holding BNB, such as airdrop, launchpad. Participating in this Launchpool is subject to eligibility based on the user country or region of residence. Please note that list of the country. If you are from this country, you won't be able to participate in this Launchpool on Binance, and that's all you need to know about this. And note, there's tricks to reward investing in crypto. Make sure you do your own research. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.